Welcome to another video. In this one I show you the new microphone and audio interface that we have now. And yeah, that was the box. It came, one of the cables was sticking out. You can still see the cable there. I'm trying to open it without cutting the cable, but okay, no big deal if it gets a little bit cut. Hopefully the rest is okay. Let's see what's inside the box. We got this from the Thomann shop, online shop, and we paid for this. This is not a sponsored video, and these are the parts. A lot of 3.5mm jack and plugs, inline connection. I had a few before, and these I really like these Rean and Neutrik connections. They're really nice. All made of metal, and this one is even without the paint. So if you care about this black paint might fade away, but on this one it wouldn't. So yeah, these are, I'm showing you the model numbers in case you are curious and you want to find them locally. Otherwise, I will put links in the description from Thomann and also on Amazon if they're available, the other parts. If you make purchases with those links, we might earn something from some of the purchases. So yeah, that's nice. And this is the connector, really solid metal connection. And this is another model, the same style. It's a female plug. 3.5mm plug, female, TRS, and actually this is the jack. It's a 3.5mm male jack, TRS, and you see the connections at the back. Also very solid metal, all metal, and it has all the parts you need inside this package. That plastic tube there is to isolate the case from the soldering contacts, so there is no short. And this is the female version. Yeah, when I ordered these ones, I wanted to buy a few things, and they had free shipping for an amount that was higher than 300 something for my area here. So I thought I'll just get a few extra connectors, and basically these were free, because if I wouldn't buy them I would have to pay extra for shipping. So I'll get a bit of coffee. I hope I don't spill it on the box. Yeah, fortunately no coffee ended up on any of the boxes in this box. And yeah, this is not very exciting, I guess, but sometimes these connectors, it's always good to have extra of them on both female and male, just in case when you need to have one. The best connectors for joining into a audio interface or a recorder, it's this one. This is really the right angle connector. It's very nice. There is no tension on a recorder. It goes flat to the side of the recorder. And this is the Neutrik 3.5mm jack. It's very nice. I have two microphones built with this connector. It's really, yeah, they're a bit more expensive than the other ones, but it's always good to have a few of these also extra, just in case. Yeah, okay, I got only 3 of these. They were more expensive, and it's always because they're floating around in the box, these small ones there. BG. Yeah, this one, it's the same. I got 6 or 8 pieces of each one. Metal. All metal. Now here they had them, I guess, pre-packed from somewhere, I don't know. All the same here inside, the same as the previous one. Same type of connector. I don't really mind about this. the paint on this black connector might fade. And this is the Sommer Cicada two cables of 14 millimeters inside, 2.6 millimeter diameter, 26 AVG. This is a balanced cable. It has a shield outside and 2 cables inside. And yeah, the cable is pretty flexible, not bad. More coffee. Yeah, now let's get to the serious part. The most important things that are in this box are these two small boxes here. Actually, only one is small. Yeah, these connectors, I hope that's the last one. So this is the Rode AI Micro audio interface for mobile devices, Android, iOS, iPhone, iPad, laptops. I'll put a link in the description or in the pinned comment with the unboxing of that one. I have it uploaded and just checking around to see what's there around this box. It's interesting, this package, some paper. Yeah, I like it that it's paper, it's not plastic, so that's pretty good. It's pretty good like this.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
Interesting way to close the box there.
Oh yeah. It's really heavy, this thing.
The whole video is recorded with this microphone and this interface. Exactly what's inside this box, what you're hearing now, is recorded with that. And I can go a little bit even closer if I wanted to. And
It's me, not me.
it's not me there. And it has really everything you need in here in this heavy box to get started, other than except the computer. You have the microphone, this shock mount, audio interface, USB cable, even a 6-meter XLR cable, and the dust cover. The dust cover is pretty nice. The microphone itself has 10-year warranty, but this on the box is a bit deceiving, confusing. Not the whole box has 10 years warranty, only the microphone. The audio interface has 2 years warranty for me. Thanks for watching.